this is the 30 kilo drum feeder. Both very similar. One's got a larger hole, one's got a smaller hole. The theory behind that is that the larger hole is for the Wright Feeder attachment. You can drop that down from inside. Okay. So that's the Wright Feeder attachment. Equally, we do supply standard pan feeder, which comes fitted with the screws, so you can attach it to the bottom like that, or a 7-inch metal pan feeder, which will attach to the bottom. We don't provide the screws for those. Equally, the 4-inch metal pan feeder, again, it comes assembled, but we don't supply the screws for those. This is the spiral spring feeder one with a smaller hole, so you can either attach the spiral from the outside, or a lot of people would simply drop the spiral in through the hole and then the weight of the grain, that's it. So that's your choices. Now to building the drum. So in the kit you should get 3 long screws, 3 short bolts even, so it's 3 long bolts, 3 short bolts, 6 washers, 6 nuts. The legs are tapered, so it's really important that you put the longer bolt in the lower hole and the shorter bolt in the top hole, so that when they go through the drum you've then got enough space to put the washer and the nut on. Okay, easiest way to do it is probably just to start like that. Washer and nut, put your arm inside, put the washer on, put the nut on, and that's it. Start there, work your way round.